Hello everyone, welcome back to Custom Print Studios. It's been quite a while, but I assure you there's a pretty good reason for it. For today's video, I want to tell you something that everyone's talking about in the homecraft market, and that is the special collaboration between Siser and Sawgrass. Now they've come up with the most revolutionary and cost-effective multicolored printing system, and I'm just going to call it Easy Subli Printing. So, what's so special about Easy Subli Printing? Well, homecraft for fabrics up until now has always been limited to single color heat transfers that you would cut with a plotter machine. But now, with the Easy Subli Printing, you can actually print in photographic, multicolour designs at a fraction of the cost of an industrial printing machine. The best part about this printing system, apart from being low cost, is that everything's so simple, easy to use, and perfectly calibrated for you. If you're thinking about fabric printing like t-shirts, bags and caps, then this is all you need. The Sawgrass machine, the Siser Easy Subli inks, a plotter machine, and of course your normal home iron. Then simply purchase the Siser Easy Subli paper if you wish to print in multicolors, or the standard homecraft rolls if it's just single colors. And then of course, when you have the Sawgrass printer and Siser Easy Subli inks, you can easily expand your craft items to ceramic mugs, bottles, coasters, keychains, sequins, and so much more. Alright, if it's getting a little too much to digest, have no worry because we're here to help. We would like to openly welcome you to Custom Print Studios. You can bring along your friends, your family, and even your kids for a fun-filled workshop introduction to homecraft. Simply email to us at the address below to make your free appointment. We hope to see you soon.